Well, I said that because I know Deepika so well, and I had worked with her 5 years back in our second film together, Bajna Hai Sino. And having worked with her in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, she really surprised me with the kind of performance she was bringing in, with the kind of intelligence, her talent that she was bringing in. And while acting with her, sometimes you act with a person and you know how that person is going to react, or you know how that person is going to say a certain dialogue. But she was constantly, surprising, working in moment to moment. And I said it purely because of that. She really intimidated me with her talent.
I mean, I definitely think that we had an equation on set that I didn't really expect. I think somewhere we had a very spontaneous equation, and I felt like every time I gave him something, I was getting something back. And it's so strange because yesterday I was shooting for Ram Leela with Mr. Bansali, and he pointed out exactly the same thing with Ranbir. He said with Ranbir, you just give him anything and it comes back. It comes back with added with something, but it also comes back with so much ease. And that's what I love about him. I think the fact that anything that he does, whether it's dance, whether it's dialogue, whatever he does, I've never seen him prepare or rehearse. It always flows, it comes very naturally. But also I think what made my work easier, I mean, he's paid me a huge compliment, but I think that also comes from the fact that he's extremely patient as a co-star. And I think that for another actor is also a great thing. He'll never make you feel like, come on, hurry up, you're not getting it right. Extremely patient, and I think a large part of that has come from him. So thank you.
Right.
She is a very tender, loving, and caring person. She likes to do things for other people, and she likes to spoil you, pamper you. So there are loads of things, the way she is, and if you are unwell, or if something's bothering you, or if anything that you're going through in life, good or bad, she'll always be there for you. And I think just being there for somebody is tender, loving, and caring, and she kind of embodies that. So Parachute, good call in signing her as a brand ambassador.